I will teach you how to add admin commands in Roblox Studio. If this video helps you out, consider subscribing to the channel to help us too. Alright, the very first thing you need to do is open Roblox Studio on your computer. After that, go to the Toolbox tab and search for HD Admin, exactly the way I'm typing it here. Now, if you can't see the Toolbox menu, don't worry. Just click on Window at the top of Roblox Studio, then click on Toolbox, and the panel will usually appear on the left side of your screen. Once you search for HD Admin, simply click on the very first result that appears. You'll probably get a warning message popping up on your screen. When that happens, just click OK and HD Admin will automatically be inserted into your game. This object needs to stay inside your game for the admin system to work properly. But don't worry, players normally won't notice it. You can hide it behind another object or even place it below the map terrain if you want. After adding it to your game, click on Play to test it. Once the game loads, you should receive a message saying that you now have the owner rank in the game, just like you can see here. Now, if you click on the HD icon, the one I'm hovering my mouse over right now, it will open the admin dashboard for your game. Inside the dashboard, click on Commands, and you'll be able to see every command available in the admin system. Not only the owner commands, but also the commands available for other ranks like VIP, Moderator, Admin, Head Admin, and finally, Owner. You'll also be able to see players who have been banned from the server. Now that you've successfully added the admin menu into your Roblox Studio experience, let me show you how to give one of your friends a rank like VIP, Moderator, Admin, or even Owner. To do that, you'll need to open the Explorer tab. If you can't see Explorer, just do the same thing I showed earlier. Click on Window, then click on Explorer, and it will usually appear on the right side of the screen. After that, inside your workspace, find the HD Admin folder and expand it. Now double-click on Settings. Inside the script, look for the section called Setup Rankings, which is usually around line 19. Here, you'll see all 6 default HD admin ranks. If you want to add a friend as an admin, for example, which is rank 3, all you have to do is type their Roblox username inside the parentheses for that rank. And this part is important. You must use their actual Roblox username, not their display name. In other words, use a name that appears after the @ symbol on their profile. If you use the display name instead, it won't work. Once you finish adding the username, save the script, go back into the game, and that player will automatically have their new rank. And that's basically how you add admin commands in Roblox Studio, and also give your friends ranks like VIP, Moderator, Admin, or even Owner inside your game. If this video is useful, make sure to leave a like because it really helps the channel, and don't forget to subscribe.